In this video we'll be looking at the dice found in the Lesson Activity Toolkit under the Games. Firstly, you can find these dice in the Gallery Essentials under Mathematics, and later on we'll look at a special dice that's found there and not found in the Lesson Activity Toolkit. Let's see what dice we find in the Lesson Activity Toolkit. All of these dice are multimedia, therefore if I click on it, it will spin.
2,
I have words to support it.
6,
Here I have the actual numbers on the dice, whereas before I had the dots of the dice. And now I can have it in different languages like French and Spanish.
5, 5,
Where do I find these? If I click on the Gallery tab and click on Lesson Activity Toolkit and go down to Games, you'll find a folder called Dice. There I have various colors of dice and the different language dice. All you need to do is drag one in or double click and it'll appear on your page. Here you can see I have a number of dice on one page, and teachers use this for statistics and probability. Now I want to have a look at a special dice that we have. It's called the multiple dice, and it is found in the Gallery Essentials under Mathematics. Let's go have a look. So if I click on Gallery Essentials, go down to Mathematics, if I click on my Interactive and Multimedia and scroll down to Multiple Dice, there you will see it. Here you'll find it, and I can drag it in or double click. Another way to find it is to type in our search bar and click search, and there you'll find your multiple dice. Now the great thing about this multiple dice is I can choose multiple dice, and when I roll them they all roll together and they give different numbers. An added bonus is with this little arrow I can actually spit out a math sum. 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals 16. Great little activity for the kids to do. We can set it up and they can count in their heads and they can shout out the answer, or they can write down their answer, and then we can work it out. If I go down to one dice and I spin it, I can also spit out the numbers, spin it again, and here again I can go use these for probability or statistics and so forth. Great dice to use, great interactive activities where we can use it to add into our number sums if we want, and the children can come and tally and write on the board. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.